To inspect or replace the drive belt on your Polaris Switchback Assault 146 with the 650 engine, follow these steps. Do not attempt this process after operating in reverse. The snowmobile must be stopped after forward motion to prevent damage to components during belt removal. Ensure the sled is on a flat, level surface. Remove the left side panel by turning the 3/4 turn latches. Pivot the panel away from the sled and pull out to remove. If needed, rotate the driven clutch counterclockwise 1/4 of a turn to disengage reverse. Then, set the parking brake. Take note of the drive belt direction of rotation. The belt must be installed in the same direction if reusing. Next, remove the clutch spreader tool from the panel trim. Spread the panel trim apart as needed to access the driven clutch. Insert the clutch spreader tool into the threaded hole on the driven clutch and turn clockwise to spread the clutch. If the tool does not turn readily, rotate the driven clutch an additional 1/4 of a turn counterclockwise and try again. Next, carefully walk the belt off the driven clutch and remove from the drive clutch. Inspect the belt for any fraying, hourglassing, loose cords, missing cogs, abrasions, burns, or damage, and replace if needed. Before continuing, clean the area around the clutches thoroughly to prevent damage to vehicle components. If replacing the belt, clean with a mixture of warm soapy water and ensure the part number on the belt is facing outward when installed. Begin installing the belt over the drive clutch, and then continue walking it over the driven clutch sheath. Once installed, spin the belt clockwise while removing the clutch spreader tool to help seat the belt. Then, completely remove the clutch spreader tool. Reconnect the side panel trim and reinstall the spreader tool. Next, reinstall the side panel by inserting the upper tab and pivoting in to engage the lower tab. Finally, latch the 3/4 turn latches to secure the panel. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.